Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models. I've not done one of these for a while now, so I thought I'd do one today. It's the model kit catalogues, but in page by page. Basically, I film them page by page, so you can see what you get in a catalogue. This one is the Revell 1976-77 model kit catalogue, so it's over 44 years old, and there's some amazing kits in there. I actually filmed these because a lot of the older generation like myself remember building the kits that are in the catalogue, and it's nice to go back in time and just see what was available back in those early days. But you can imagine that a lot of us who are in our early 40s, maybe 50s, 60s, or even in our 70s, remember what was available back in the day. To see this catalogue in the best quality, go to the cog settings, click the quality, and then go up to 1080p if you can, because I actually filmed this in 1080p. And also, if you want to slow the video down so you can see it page by page slowly, just go to the cog settings again, click playback speed, and either select 0.25 or 0.5. You can click pause if you see something that really catches your eye and you want to see the page more clearly. Just click that pause button, then carry on by pressing play after you've seen it. But otherwise, enjoy. This is the Revell 1976-1977 model kit catalogue. So there you are, that was the catalogue. It's quite interesting because before I realised this was a page it comes out, and these are the prices of the kits. This is the retail price list for these kits, and there's nothing over £5, I don't think. The 600 series, which was all like your bog standard 172, which is your Spad and your Sopwith camo, etc., was 28p back in 1976. Then you've got the 110 series, which was your Phantom, your Corsair, that was 65p. 90p for your Marauder. You keep going down, £1.25, £1.55. I can't see nothing here more than a fiver. The motorbikes was the £4.50 in 1/8 scale. They did like a Harley police bike, a BMW and a chopper. But oh yeah, there is some there. The large galleons was £14.95. Wow. But that's really the most expensive one. And then in the releases, it says here in 1976, the new releases, they were doing a P51 Mustang, Wildcat, Albatross, the ME262A, Spitfire. So they had numerous amounts of new releases in 1976. There's a good 30 there released in 1976. You don't get that these days, do you? You know, so there are quite a few releases there. But there you go. That was the price list of that. If you're looking through the catalogue, I thought there were some really, really nice kits. The one that really did fascinate me, which I've never seen before, even though looking at kits for years, was these zany planes. If you built these zany planes, would you let me know? Find a corner in your collection for light relief, such as the Baron and the Fuff Decker Fokker. You'll laugh while you're building it, and your friends will smile when they admire the finished job. I've never seen these. These must be their take on like the eggplane series. I think they look really good. I've never seen one. If anybody has one, please, would you contact me, email, and so I can see what they look like, because I've never seen them before. They started their snap together kits here. There you go, the snap together tanks. You know, they were thinking ahead of their time. There's their big sailing ships at the back of the catalogue, but you've seen all this as you've gone through. But yeah, I was just amazed at some of the things that they were doing back in the day. And also on the very last pages, as you saw, they showed you their paints. I assume that was all the colours they had. 23 paints was all in their collection. And then you had to get the best from the enamels, which is sadly missing in a lot of the model kits these days, that the instructions don't tell you like that you can water down acrylics to make it easier to paint. And if you look on the Model Minutes channel, he's done a brilliant video on building a starter kit with just what comes in the box and just using the instructions. So, you know, if you want to watch that, I'll put a link there. I'll put a link to Model Minutes' video, because it is fascinating to see him build this kit without any water, you know, using the tube of glue like you should, or not as you should, but how you would think to use it. It's incredible. And we do need this back in the instructions. I believe that we need to get back to making people understand how to use the equipment, the liquids, the paints to build a model kit properly. But anyways, I digress. Thank you for watching anyway. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.